Well, Piers Morgan has released the much-anticipated segment of Uncensored, featuring Nigeria's Foreign Affairs Minister, Yusuf Tuga. The explosive interview, which also featured former Canadian MP Goldie Gamari and Reverend Ezekiel Dachimo, saw Minister Tuga mount an aggressive defense, challenging international reports on the scale of Christian killing and church burnings in Nigeria. The minister dismissed widely circulated figures as completely and totally inaccurate and false, insisting that media fact checkers have examined the numbers and found them grossly inflated. Let's take a look.
Since the last 5 years, the attacks, not destroyed, attacks on church 102.
How many Christians have been murdered in Nigeria since 2009?
Since over the last 5 years, I can categorically tell you that 177 have been killed.
Right now, you have a Muslim president, and then they decided to choose a Muslim vice president, and so there is actually no Christian representation in the Islamist government. I was a politician for 7 years, Pierce, and I can tell when someone is lying and avoiding the truth. That's exactly what this foreign minister is doing, and shame on him for lying.
Let me tell you, there's a genocide in Nigeria.
All right, this is an explosive interview, Rufai. But I was quite shocked when I heard the figure. 177 Christians have been killed in 5 years. That's what, according to the Foreign Affairs Minister. Quite shocking.
I dare him.
Quite shocking. There are reports. We've seen reports everywhere.
I challenge him to bring that where he got that data from. He didn't cite the source. It's not true.
Those statistics that the foreign minister reeled out on that show was quite painful to hear, Rufai.
Even me.
Yes.
I shame for Nigeria, as foreign minister of my country. Go out there, get facts, get data.
The 200 people that were killed just the other day from Yawata. 200, and the 500 that Dachimo showed us.
Yeah, he said
that's 700 already.
What about the Christmas Eve killings?
Yes.
I challenge the minister's rhetoric and his numbers.
Yes.
This is those are too. So you couldn't Tuga call National Bureau of Statistics and get data.
This is, he appeared to have been reading. He appeared to have been reading from
at least they should bring it out.
A piece of
National
paper.
Is that not why we are funding them?
We have a data problem.
We have a data problem.
But we are the media. They can send it to us. We would like to see those figures, because what we have is nothing compared to what the minister reeled out. This is tragedy that is really happening in Nigeria.
And it took him a while before he was able to acknowledge and say the data. At first, he was saying, no, we don't know. You can't really distinguish if it's Christian or Muslim.
They don't check the religion of the
They don't check the religion of the dead. What do you mean? What kind of talk is that?